Alright, we're making a video on the Albamaral sound. Going for white perch. Trying my new foam mount that is a little bit more wavy than the water is. I've got 8 hooks. And last time this went kind of weird. Lowering this down real slow. We're in 16 foot of water. Going for white perch. Remember to like and subscribe. Alright, I've hit bottom, so I gotta pull this up. I'm gonna wait just a second. Ain't nothing happening. Y'all see the rod tip? Bounced off the bottom. Bounced off the bottom. Now, if anybody wants to go fishing with me, I'm a licensed guide in North Carolina. I don't charge much.
He's making a commercial.
People seem to flock to where I'm fishing. I don't know them people. There's a lot of fishing in the water. They're mostly in the water, not many on the land.
You're in the water.
Man fishing with me, used 4 hooks, he caught 5 fish. So I got 8 hooks in the water. See what I can do.
You're catching them all in the mouth, aren't you?
That's the plan. I just keep setting the hook. Every time one grabs, I just set the hook. One grabs, set the hook, and I'm probably going to pull up a knot. But there's going to be some fish.
I'm not making up your commercial.
It's not a commercial, it's a YouTube video. I don't know how to edit, so the whole thing goes on there. We're ready to see what the record right now is. 5 fish. Let's see what we got. I think I can get more on there. My line is about as long as to hit the bottom, so some of them got a bite near the surface. So, see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 fish. Who would complain about only 5 fish? Y'all like and subscribe.